In the name of God. In this video, we'll discuss about the kinds of sentences. As already, we've discussed about letter, alphabet, word, phrase, and the sentence. So, there are 5 kinds of sentences. These are assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and optative sentences. Let's discuss them one by one. First, assertive sentences, the sentences that represent a fact, an event, a condition, and simple statements. For example, I am Yasir Kermani, it is Monday, we are brothers, etc. Assertive sentences are further of 2 types, affirmative or positive sentences. Example: Yasir loves Cadbury toffee. I can do this. And number second are non-affirmative or negative sentences. For example, Yasir does not loves Cadbury toffee. I cannot do this. Next, we have imperative sentences. These sentences represent order, command, request, advice, proposal, or suggestion. You can see the examples. That is, hey you. Raise your hands. Get over the enemy boys, Yasir please. Give me a glass of cold drink, will you marry Nastia? You must consume time in useful tasks. This lecture will be continued.